I'm Paulo Santos. I work here at Usercentrics on the platform partnerships team, dealing with our tech strategic partners, integration partners.
Out of the list of the most desired partners in the world, we know that GoDaddy is that for Usercentrics. You've mentioned before to me that there's three core challenges / opportunities that you see might be beneficial for the end customer, GoDaddy and Usercentrics. Start by talking about just an initial use case that you've seen already with another partner around the product challenge.
We enable the end users, people building websites, to have a fully integrated consent flow on their website. And we do this by partnering with CMSs to deliver this experience at scale. The partners that we work with are site builders, e-commerce store builders, but not limited to, but these are probably the most common cases. So the scope for this and the focus is a lot of the SMB market, right? Because typically SMBs rely on their technology providers to help them have access to the tools they need to several purposes. One of them is comply with data privacy regulations that we see nowadays all over the world, from GDPR, the EU, United States with CCPA, Virginia, Colorado, and whatnot. The way that we have been tackling this is through a very programmatic approach, a very templatized approach, because we know that SMBs don't need control over all the details of how you collect consent, how you optimize for marketing campaigns, and all those details that probably big enterprise companies need. But they want something on their website like that, very simple, integrated without much effort. And we're doing this with some key partners. Right. So the first part is solving this product challenge, right? Because SMBs typically go to a self-serve site builder or maybe to an agency, but most of them go to a platform. They try to build their own website. Most of the CMSs have the end user cannot fully access the entire code of the website. And for a proper CMP implementation to work on a website, there needs to be a very close connection between the privacy tech platform and the CMS to ensure that our script is properly implemented in the structure of the website. So most of the times this is out of the end user control. So the SMB cannot do that. And there needs to be a certain level of integration between these products. Right. So this requires this effort. The second part is the legal challenge itself, right? Not only we have multiple registries popping up, in 2024, we have the DMA coming in, which will also put additional pressure on top of the GDPR here in the Digital Markets Act here in Europe. So if users are using products like Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, and other marketing advertising platforms like these, they will need to use a CMP for sure. And the site building platforms will obviously be crucial on this, since is the place where everything takes place and where everything happens. So that there's this challenge that we need to help users with. And the last part is obviously, what can you take out of it is from a go-to-market perspective, because that was mentioned to you, at the end of the day, we all want to attract new customers and increase our revenues. And we know that, and there's actually a lot of opportunities, both from integrating the service like this and having it serve either embed, bundled, or as an add-on to users, direct customers in this case, or either by leveraging agencies network from a specific CMS, let's say, to help those agencies also implement the CMP to the customers. So there's literally a room for all of these players, and there's an opportunity from a revenue perspective to everyone throughout the cycle until the end user. So that's kind of I think what could be interesting to have a chat about and explore. First, how can we solve this product challenge? How can we enable users to comply with the legal aspect of the data privacy regulations? And third, and also very important, how can we all take advantage from a business perspective of this opportunity to help users?